everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Maria from Under the Night Moon, and I'm so excited to be able to show you the completion of the little book I started to make. This is the finished product of my tutorial that I did. I will put a link below to the video. I had done a video showcasing the collage sheet set that I have in my studio now. It's called the Antique Lace and Trim Set. And what it is a collection of trims that I sent over to Debrina at Pixie Dust Files, and she created this gorgeous collage digital set for me to have in my shop. And if you haven't checked out her store, you really need to just go see the beauty in her digitals. The layers that she uses are so pretty, and I'm so excited that she has been so gracious to lend her talent over to my shop. It's really beautiful. And she took the trims and things from my studio, and I love this collection so much that I went ahead and made a little book. I started to make this book in the video, and then the lawn guys showed up and I had to end it quickly because I live in Southwest Florida, and yeah, there's a lot of landscaping here since it's 82 degrees out. So this little video is to show you the flip through of the little book that I made. This will be everything I'll be showing tonight. I'm going to be doing all my videos will be listed in my Etsy shop tomorrow, including this little book. But I just wanted to show you quickly what I made using the collage sheets. And this is one of my little envelope books. It's 2 envelopes, and we sewed them together. And I took the backing paper from the collage set, and that's what I used to make the sheet, the pages out of. So everything about this book, you can see the construction and so on in the video that I'm going to link below for you. But the set comes with envelopes, it comes with tags, little sayings. This one says dream a little dream, and then I just decorated this little book using all of my favorite things, little charms, antique laces. I sewed some buttons on. I dug up a bunch of my trims, and I just had fun decorating. So in the front pocket is this beautiful envelope, and this is actually a piece of embroidery that I sent her, and she collaged it right there on the envelope. I just love it. It's so beautiful. And then you can see a collection of the trims here that she used also. Such a beautiful little piece. I love this envelope. And that sits right here in this little pocket. This is a little tag that she created, and all I did was use some gold thread. I attached some antique lace, a little seam binding, and used the backing paper on the back. And then just like my other envelope books, there's a top loading pocket. Here's just the trims you can see are so pretty. And the same, I used the backing page. Little collage, or not collage, a little journaling tag for you. And then the front cover has a little pocket here with another little tag. And the same, I just used the backing paper and sewed. And when you open up, we made this pocket just as I had to end the video. So this is pretty much where we ended. But you can see I just added some pretty little pieces of lace and trim. And really I just wanted to show you what you could make with this set. She gives you these little index cards for journaling. These trims you can just cut into strips. You can see here I just used a piece of it, and then the backing paper. Added a little piece of antique lace to the top, and it's just so pretty on its own. And these trims are some of my favorite things, and to be able to use them digitally I think is amazing, because you never have to worry about running out. And this trim is embroidered, and it's a little piece. I don't have a lot, so I don't really want to use it, but how beautiful. I can use it in my work every day now. So it's exciting for me. I've always wanted to do this. in the collection because she knows how much I love the swans. So she created this gorgeous digital with this beautiful gold frame. So I didn't do anything to that except add a little ribbon. This tag is already done for you. And she made little pockets for me with some sewing ephemera digitally collaged on there, which I think is cool. So this is a little double pocket. So you have a pocket behind the lace and then the actual pocket that she made for the little tags. And that just sits in there just like that. So sweet, so cute. And then I had some fun little florals that were pink and pretty, and I just added them in here. Just to show you, you can add all kinds of florals, you know, if it's within this color palette of the pinks and the beiges, you know, you can just add to your heart's delight. Now, I took the backing paper, and you'll see in the little video, the tutorial, and I made all these pages. So I didn't do anything to the pages because I want this to really be a little journal for someone to be able to write. And so you have one side where you can do collage on or add pictures, and then you have one side to write. Because how pretty this would be as a background for a beautiful picture. Yeah, so you have 12 of those pages, and then I decorated the very first one, and that was also just to give this little book some more stability. And I used some of the scraps from the paper I used to cover the journal. And I go over that as well in the tutorial about using the scraps. And so that's all this is. And I just stitched a piece of lace on there. I fussy cut Lady out. And she gives you these beautiful little sayings. And on the cover it says, "Dream a little dream." Inside, did I use one on the inside? I don't remember. No. This one, "Love always wins." This is "Sprinkle kindness everywhere." There's one more. Not sure if I used it or not. I can't remember. But here's another little tab that I made using some eyelet. And then this is a little scrap of the printed trim. And I just love it. It looks like it's real trim there. And it just decorated that simple little scrap so beautifully. So I love that. So anyway, there's all the pages. I showed you how we did the 2-hole pamphlet stitch, super easy. And then I added a little piece of polka dot trim here, and the back cover I made a little pocket using some of my vintage trim. And I had printed 2 of the envelopes because I just love them so much. Plus, I also think these envelope books tend very well to be photo albums, and I really always like to make sure I incorporate envelopes for the owner so that they have a place to put extra photos or little things that they want to put in this book, or if they don't have time to work on it, they have a little place to store things for the book. And then another little index card to journal, and another pretty floral, just to show you that you can add all kinds of things to these little books. And then here's the pocket for the back I added, and you can see the trims here. This is a little tag made just from the trims. How simple. I just added literally 2 little scraps that I had on my desk and a button, and it's the cutest little thing. So very simple to use. I really wanted to just make sure I showed. I love the stores out there that do digital kits, and then they do videos showing you how to use the digitals. And so that was my intention here, was to make sure I showed you how to use them, and also how easy they are to work with, so not to be intimidated. These are so beautiful just on their own. You can see, just cut it into a simple tag shape, and it's so pretty. So yeah, so that's that. These will be listed in my Etsy. Everything will be listed in my Etsy shop tomorrow, Tuesday, the 27th. So if you have any questions at all, let me know in the comments below. Oh, and just quickly, I covered the back with just some beautiful linen. Yeah, so comments, just let me know if you have any. I'm going to start posting these videos to my YouTube channel here But just thank you so much. Follow me on Instagram at underthenightmoon. I think, yeah, you guys know all that stuff there. Subscribe here if you want to follow me. But just thank you so much. I am very grateful to this channel to be able to show you things like this. So have a great evening, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.